Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Leafy Life. In today's video, we're diving into the world of rare and luxurious houseplants that are making waves in 2025. Ever wondered what makes some plants so special and so expensive? It's all about rarity, unique features, and the demand from collectors. These plants not only look stunning, but are also highly sought after for their limited availability or extraordinary traits. If you enjoy plant content, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one you'd love to add to your collection this year. Plant number 10, Albino Monstera. Let's start with the Albino Monstera. Why is it so expensive? This stunning plant features rare white variegation, a mutation that is quite hard to come by. Albino plants are difficult to grow, and it takes time and skill to produce them. The price range is typically between $3,000 to $5,000. But it can vary based on the size, age, and quality of the plant. Keep in mind, larger, more established specimens can command higher prices. Ethically sourcing these rare plants is also very important. Always support responsible growers who prioritize sustainable practices. Plant number 9, Variegated Hoya. Next up, we have the Variegated Hoya. What makes this plant pricey? Its beautiful creamy white variegation makes it a standout in any plant collection. The rarity of perfect variegation, combined with its slow growth rate, makes it quite valuable. You can expect to pay anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, though prices can fluctuate depending on the size and quality. Plant number 8, Pink Princess Philodendron. The Pink Princess Filodendron is up next, and it's been making waves in 2025. Why is this beauty so expensive? The plant's unique pink variegation, which is quite rare in philodendrons, makes it highly desirable. These plants are difficult to grow with perfect variegation, and that drives up the price range of $1,000 to $2,000. Prices can vary depending on how vibrant and consistent the pink markings are, so keep that in mind when shopping around. Plant number 7, Kadupul Flower. Now let's talk about the Kudupul Flower. Why is it so costly? This flower is legendary for blooming only at night and wilting before dawn, which makes it one of the rarest and most elusive flowers in the world. Since it's almost impossible to cultivate and harvest on a regular basis, its value is incredibly high. The price for this beauty can vary widely, often falling in the range of thousands of dollars, especially when you can find one in bloom. Plant number 6, Ghost Orchid. Next up, the Ghost Orchid. Why is it so expensive? Its otherworldly white blooms are extremely rare, and the plant is notoriously hard to cultivate. It requires very specific care and environmental conditions. The difficulty in growing this plant, along with its stunning appearance, places its price in the range of $2,000 to $6,000, depending on the plant's size and maturity. Keep in mind that ethically sourced specimens are often more expensive, but they are also more sustainable for long-term cultivation. Plant number 5, Variegated Monstera Thai Constellation. Now let's move on to the Variegated Monstera Thai Constellation. What makes it so valuable? This plant is prized for its beautiful marbled leaves, featuring a mix of creamy white and yellow on deep green. The variegation pattern is rare and difficult to replicate, which makes it highly sought after. Prices can range between $2,000 and $6,000, with higher prices for larger, more mature plants. When buying these, be mindful of the seller's ethical practices. True collectors know how important it is to support sustainable growing methods. Plant 4, Shenzhen N Orchid. Here's the Shenzhen N Orchid. Why is this one so expensive? It was cultivated by scientists in China and is considered one of the rarest orchids in existence. This orchid blooms only after years of cultivation, adding to its rarity and high price. Prices can range from several thousand to tens of thousands of dollars, due to its difficulty to cultivate and the scarcity of mature plants available. Plant 3, Rare Orchids, Exotic Varieties. Exotic orchid varieties, such as black orchids or Cattleya hybrids, continue to be top-tier collectibles in 2025. Why are these so expensive? These orchids are hard to find, and their cultivation requires specialized care. Their unique beauty and rarity in the wild make them highly coveted, and you can expect to pay anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on the variety. Plant number 2, Variegated Alocasia poly, African mask plant. And finally, we have the Variegated Alocasia poly, also known as the African mask plant. What makes this plant so expensive? Its beautiful arrow-shaped leaves with striking white veins are rare, and finding a plant with the perfect variegation is quite a challenge. The price can range between $5,000 and $10,000 depending on the size and variegation. Plant 1, 800-year-old bonsai. At number 1, we have the 800-year-old bonsai. Why is it so expensive? This ancient tree has been cultivated over centuries, making it a rare living piece of history. The immense care required to grow and maintain such an old bonsai drives its value. Prices can range from $100,000 to over $1 million, depending on its age and condition. Ethical sourcing is key, as these rare trees are often passed down through generations or carefully cultivated by specialists. And there you have it, the 10 most expensive houseplants of 2025. From rare variegations to mythical blooms, these plants have earned their high prices for good reason. Which one would you love to add to your collection this year? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more plant-filled content here on Leafy Life. Thanks for watching, and happy planting in 2025. Sparkle.